Hi, I'm Madison with FreshCut Paper, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your pop-up Christmas tree. Let's start by opening up the envelope and see what's included. First, you'll notice a matching note card, followed by 2 sheets of ornaments that you can pop out and hang onto your tree. There's another set of instructions as well, and then you'll have your pop-up Christmas tree. You'll go ahead and unfold the red base, and you'll notice an empty slot. That is going to correspond to the red tab on your Christmas tree. You're going to start by feeding it into opening, and then on the back side you'll notice a protective covering for the tape. You'll go ahead and peel it off, just tape it down. And now you're done with the first half of your base. You're gonna go ahead and flip it over and repeat the same steps that we just did with the tab over here. We'll go ahead and stand your Christmas tree up, and next you'll start gently folding the branches to create a natural looking tree shape. Now that you've created your tree shape, you'll notice on the inside of each branch, there's a score line. That's where the bend will take place when you start arranging your branches to create the tree that you'd like. Now you have a natural looking tree base with plenty of space to add your colorful Christmas ornaments. Let's start by popping out your Christmas ornament. You'll notice there's a hoop at the end of each ornament, and that's going to attach to the hook at the end of each branch. Now that you've decorated your Christmas tree with all of the ornaments, you'll notice there are 2 tree toppers that you can choose from. There's a star and the angel. You'll pop them out the same way as you did with the ornaments. And you'll notice at the bottom there is a slot in the center, and that's where you can attach it at the top of your tree. And there you have it, a unique and festive Christmas tree. This is a great activity and tradition to do season after season. Merry Christmas from the team at FreshCut Paper.